Okay, we're going to add some fractions. We're going to start quite simple first, and then we're going to get a little more complicated. So the first couple of fractions that I want to add for you are, oops, let's erase that. It's terrible. I don't know what happened there. All right, first fraction is 5 over 100 plus 2 over 10. Okay, so the first question we ask ourselves is, can we add these fractions together as they are written? And the answer is no. And the reason is because we can only add fractions that have common denominators. Okay, so this is 100 and this is 10, and they're different. The denominator is not the same. So we got to do something to make the denominator the same. And the one thing we can do is we can multiply this entire fraction times the factor of 10. Okay, so 10 on top and 10 at the bottom. Okay, and when we do that, the new fraction becomes 20 over 100. Okay, in the original fraction we didn't change it. Okay, all right, and now that we have both fractions with the same denominator, with a common denominator, we can then just add them, add the numerators together. Now when you add fractions, you add the numerators, you do not change the denominator, and the fraction, the answer becomes 25 over 100. Okay, step one. Step two is now to look at this number and say, is this fraction as simple as it can be written? And the answer is no, because those are large numbers and they're actually both divisible by 5. Okay, so what we can do is we can divide both by 5. Okay, and what do we get after that? Well, we get 5 and we get 25. And it turns out that these can actually be divided even further by the factor 5. Okay? And what do we get then? We get the fraction 1/5. Okay? Let's do another one.